Solid power design, advanced thermal solution, and uncompromising compatibility. This is Z790 Aorus Master. The all-direct digital VRMs are designed to maximize turbo boost on Intel's 13th gen processors. The 23-phase power delivery unleashes the full potential within the massive CPU cores. The tantalum polymer capacitors further improve stability and overclocking performance. Z790 Aorus Master features our most outstanding thermal solution ever. FINS Array 3 is designed to dissipate heat via extremely numerous surfaces. With nanocarbon coating, the heat can be transferred more efficiently than before. To pursue throttle-free performance of PCIe Gen 5 SSDs, the M.2 Thermal Guard 3 can keep the device at extraordinarily low temperature, even under heavy workloads. 4 other M.2 slots are covered by the enlarged heatsink with double-sided thermal pads to dissipate heat even more efficiently. Z790 Aorus Master is engineered on an 8-layer PCB with 2x copper, giving the processor more headroom for overclocking. We've run countless validation tests, ensuring the board works perfectly with almost every DDR5 memory kit on the market and supports up to DDR5 8000. 2 PCIe slots are located in an adequate distance from the first one to avoid interference from the graphics card, so gamers can install PCIe expansion modules at their will. Versatile connections provide extra freedom to DIY enthusiasts for countless possibilities. 8 PWM fan headers, with 4 of them that can be altered for water cooling pumps, maximize the flexibility when it comes to cooling configuration. Audio is key to gaming. The Hi-Fi audio system serves up audiophile-grade sound quality for the most immersive gaming experience. One of the most capable gaming motherboards we have ever created for Intel's 13th gen processors. Now it's time to master your game.